Imagine standing outside at night when the sky turns blood red, the ground rumbles, and a pillar of blue light splits the heavens. Would you think it's the end of the world? Many once did, faced with such inexplicable power. Our planet has produced mysteries so strange that even today, science can't fully explain them. Earth isn't just a quiet rock. It's alive, unpredictable, and sometimes terrifyingly silent before it strikes. Tonight, we'll dive into the most mysterious moments in Earth's history. Events that stunned witnesses, baffled experts, and changed how we see our world. How many secrets still lie beneath our feet and above our skies? Our journey begins in Siberia, June 30th, 1908. The Evenki people were starting their day when a column of brilliant blue light tore across the sky. Moments later, a deafening roar and a shockwave flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, 80 million trees, gone in an instant. The explosion was 1,000 times more powerful than Hiroshima, yet when scientists arrived years later, there was no crater, no meteorite, just scorched earth and devastation. The Tunguska event, as it became known, defied explanation. How could such force leave no trace of its source? The Evenki believed it was the thunder god Ogdi, a spiritual warning. Scientists searched for answers, draining swamps and digging through permafrost, but found nothing. Today, the leading theory is that a small asteroid or comet exploded in the atmosphere, disintegrating before impact. This would explain the blast and lack of crater. But questions remain. Was it rock or ice? Why no fragments? Some even suggest black holes or antimatter, though these ideas are far-fetched. The Tunguska event is a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability. Had it struck hours later, it could have destroyed a major city. The silent forests of Siberia still bear the memory, a cosmic warning written in fire and thunder. What if it happens again? In 1783, a strange, dry fog settled over Europe, dimming the sun and unsettling millions. As autumn came, the night sky glowed blood red from horizon to horizon, so bright people could read by it at midnight. Panic swept across continents. Church bells rang, prayers were said, and many believed the apocalypse had arrived. Scientists of the era were baffled. The red aurora stretched as far south as Italy and Japan, far beyond normal northern lights. The cause? For years, many blamed the massive Laki volcanic eruption in Iceland, which filled the air with sulfur. But modern research points to something even more dramatic, a colossal solar storm, a geomagnetic event that energized Earth's atmosphere and painted the sky red. Oxygen atoms, excited at high altitudes, created the crimson glow, a sign of the sun's raw power. If this storm was stronger than the famous Carrington event, it could have crippled today's technology. In 1783, it was just a terrifying, beautiful mystery. A reminder that the sun can unleash forces far beyond our control. The great red skies were not the end, but a glimpse of the cosmic power that shapes our world. Imagine a low, relentless hum, heard by some, ignored by most, and impossible to escape. This is the hum, a global mystery reported from Taos, New Mexico, to Bristol, England. Described as a low drone, like a distant engine, it's most noticeable at night and indoors. Only a small fraction of people in affected areas hear it, leading many to dismiss it as tinnitus or psychological. But the consistency of reports suggests something more. Scientists have tried to record the hum, deploying sensitive equipment, but often find nothing unusual. Theories abound. Industrial noise, power grids, or even natural phenomena like tectonic movements or ocean waves. In rare cases, sources have been found, factories or industrial plants emitting low-frequency sounds. But in places like Taos, no source has ever been identified despite extensive research. For those who hear it, the hum is tormenting, disrupting sleep, causing anxiety, and sometimes forcing people to move. Is it an external sound, or something generated by the brain, or a mix of both? The hum remains a mystery at the edge of perception, a sound that is heard but never seen. In the high desert of New Mexico, another mystery endures: the Taos lights. For decades, residents have reported strange orbs and formations in the night sky. Lights that hover, change color, and move in ways that defy explanation. Sightings come from all walks of life: ranchers, police, pilots, making it hard to dismiss as mere imagination. In the 1990s, scientists set up cameras and sensors hoping to catch the lights in action. But the lights proved elusive, often evading detection or appearing as ambiguous blurs. Official studies concluded the sightings were likely misidentified objects, car headlights, aircraft, or atmospheric effects. Locals remain unconvinced, insisting the lights are real and unlike anything mundane. Some suggest rare geological phenomena, quartz under pressure creating luminous effects. Others suspect secret military technology. The lights have become part of Taos's identity, a source of fascination and community lore. Whether natural, technological, or something else, the Taos lights remain a beautiful, unsolved question in the desert sky. From Siberia's fireball to the red skies, from the hum to the Taos lights, we've glimpsed the edge of our understanding. These mysteries remind us, Earth is not just scenery, but a force of beauty and chaos. We are explorers on our own planet, with vast unknowns still waiting. The world is not a finished story. There are forces at play that can still leave us speechless. Stay curious, keep questioning, and remember, some mysteries are invitations to wonder. Which Earth mystery fascinated you most? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.